The 1996 Hilux featured a boxy and utilitarian design, typical of the pickups of its era. With simple straight lines, round halogen headlights, and minimalistic bumpers, it prioritized functionality over form. The design was rugged, with high ground clearance and a strong, durable ladder frame chassis. The 2025 Hilux, by contrast, sports a bold, aggressive design with sleek LED headlamps, an imposing front grille, and sculpted body lines. Aerodynamic enhancements have been integrated without compromising off-road capability. Alloy wheels, side steps, flared fenders, and body-colored bumpers give it a modern, premium appearance. 1996 Hilux interiors were Spartan with hard plastics, basic instrument panels, manual window controls, and minimal noise insulation. Comfort and infotainment features were limited to essentials like air conditioning and a basic radio or cassette player. 2025 Hilux. The modern Hilux offers a refined cabin with soft touch materials, a digital dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ambient lighting, and electrically adjustable heated seats. The 2025 model emphasizes comfort, tech, and luxury, a major leap from the utilitarian 1996 version. Performance and powertrain, engine and transmission. 1996 Hilux. The 1996 Hilux was typically offered with naturally aspirated 2.4 liters and 2.8 liters diesel engines and a 2.0 liters or 2.4 liters petrol option. These engines were mated to 5-speed manual transmissions. They were known for their simplicity and robustness but lacked the power and efficiency of modern counterparts. 2025 Hilux. The 2025 model comes with advanced turbocharged engines, including a 2.8 liters turbodiesel producing over 200 horsepower and a new mild hybrid diesel option. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual and an advanced 8-speed automatic gearbox. Improved fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and superior performance highlight the engineering advancements over the years. Ride and handling. 1996 Hilux. The ride was stiff, especially when unladen, due to leaf spring rear suspension. Steering was heavy, and the truck had a utilitarian, truck-like feel. While this made it excellent off-road, it compromised on-road comfort. 2025 Hilux. Modern suspension systems, including rear coil spring options in some variants, have dramatically improved ride quality. Enhanced electronic steering, adaptive dampers, and better weight distribution allow the 2025 Hilux to handle more like an SUV than a truck. 1996 Hilux. Technology was minimal. There were no driver aids, digital displays, or entertainment systems beyond a simple radio. Safety features like ABS or airbags were either optional or not available in many markets. 2025 Hilux. Technology in the 2025 model is on par with modern SUVs. Features include a 10-plus-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless charging, multi-camera parking assist, digital instrument cluster, keyless entry and push-button start, over-the-air software updates. It also offers vehicle connectivity features, off-road assist technologies like hill descent control, and terrain management systems. 1996 Hilux. Safety was rudimentary. Most models lacked airbags, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, and traction control. The rigid ladder frame did provide structural strength, but crash safety was minimal by modern standards. Multiple airbags, front, side, curtain, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, escape, traction control, autonomous emergency braking, EB, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. These systems are part of Toyota Safety Sense suite, showcasing the massive evolution in passenger protection. Infotainment and connectivity. Entertainment was basic, often limited to an AM/FM radio or cassette player. There were no screens, USB ports, or connectivity features. Advanced infotainment systems now define the modern Hilux. A responsive touchscreen system integrates with smartphones, offering navigation, voice control, and cloud-based services. Multiple USB-C ports, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and even a premium sound system in top trims cater to modern drivers. 1996 Hilux, basic air conditioning, manual windows, and rudimentary seat designs were common. The driving position was more work-oriented than comfort-driven, and sound insulation was minimal. The 2025 Hilux features dual-zone climate control, power-adjustable leather seats, a sunroof, soundproofing, and advanced back systems. Cabin ergonomics have greatly improved with a more SUV-like driving posture, better visibility, and quieter interiors. Highly regarded for its off-road toughness, the 1996 Hilux had part-time 4WD systems, solid axles, and manual locking hubs. It was a favorite among overlanders and rural users. The new Hilux retains strong off-road credentials with enhancements: active traction control, electronic locking rear differential, hill assist control, crawl control. In high-end variants, selectable drive modes for various terrains. Despite modern electronics, Toyota ensures that the Hilux remains a reliable companion for serious off-road conditions. 1996 Hilux, fuel consumption was relatively high due to older engine technology and the absence of emission control systems. These engines were durable but not optimized for environmental performance. With turbocharging, hybrid assist systems, and start-stop tech, the 2025 model significantly reduces emissions and fuel use. Euro 6/7 compliance and potential electric variants, conceptual or in future trims, show Toyota's push towards sustainability. Known for legendary toughness, it earned a reputation as indestructible. Minimal electronics and overbuilt mechanicals meant long service life with low maintenance in tough conditions. While the new model incorporates more complex electronics, Toyota maintains a strong emphasis on reliability. Durability is tested rigorously in global markets. However, the added tech requires more specialized servicing compared to the 1996 Hilux. Relatively affordable with low running costs, it was positioned as a workhorse for commercial and rural use. Modern variants, especially top trims, are more expensive, reflecting added luxury, tech, and safety features. However, Toyota still offers value variants to appeal to traditional buyers, targeted at farmers, tradespeople, and rural users. It was often used for heavy-duty work, with minimal concern for luxury or lifestyle features. While still popular with commercial uses, the 2025 Hilux appeals to a broader audience, including families and urban adventurers. The top trims cater to those who want a lifestyle vehicle with the utility of a pickup. The Hilux already had a strong presence in Africa, Southeast Asia, and Australia. It was a vital part of Toyota's commercial fleet lineup. It remains a global leader in the pickup segment and is positioned competitively against the Ford Ranger, Mitsubishi Triton, and Isuzu D-Max. Toyota has diversified its offerings with GR Sport and hybrid variants to suit evolving market demands. Conclusion: the Toyota Hilux has undergone a remarkable transformation from 1996 to 2025. The 1996 Hilux stood for mechanical simplicity, raw strength, and uncompromising durability. The 2025 Hilux retains these core values while adding a layer of sophistication, safety, and comfort that align with modern consumer expectations.